More than anything, our goal is to see that the proclamation of the gospel is being done through the work that we support. Devin reminded me this morning that we are not just conservatives, we are Christian conservatives. And all that we talk about and all that we think about ought to be wrapped in the biblical worldview that we have. I wouldn't want the word conservative begin to be a standalone word that we leave out Christians. I'm guilty of it. So many others are. But we are Christian. We are evangelical conservatives. And that distinction is important. Devin and I were talking this morning just before we went on the air about the interview last night with Ted Cruz. And it is so obvious, even more so lately, that when you hear Ted Cruz, Senator Cruz, you can hear his Christian worldview, his biblical worldview, loud and clear, is far more than just a conservative. This is a poor analogy, but we speak of China today because some years ago, in the late 70s, early 80s, it seemed to become politically incorrect to speak of China saying communist China or red China, as they were often referred to. It's gotten to the point now where we speak of China as we would speak about any other free nation that has no human rights violations, a free nation that is not a dictatorship, a free nation that is, not oppressing its people. When we speak of China, we should use the word communist China, red China. And if it seems to some of those on the politically correct left that that is wrong, so be it. And when we talk of conservatives, we should distinguish between Christian conservatives and conservatives.